What's up? In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add simple captions to your short form videos using Canva. So you no longer have to use Capcut or any of these video editing tools. If all you want to do is add captions to your videos, you already have Canva, you already use that, maybe you already pay for Canva Pro. It's an easy way for you to leverage that. The first thing you want to do is obviously come to the Canva homepage, which is just canva.com, and then you want to select one of their video templates. You can just go to canva.com/templates and you can see the video here. So I'm just going to click on that, and you can choose Instagram story, Instagram reel, mobile video, anything that is predominantly a video format. So I'm just going to pick Instagram reel here and wait for that to open up. So once the video format has opened up, what you now want to do is simply bring in the video you want to add the captions to. So I'm just going to go to upload by the left hand side here and choose a video I want to use from my device for that. So now I'm just waiting for the video to upload here so I can bring it into project and edit that. So stop wasting. This is the video. It's a video I've already edited in the past, but I'm just going to use it as a sample to show you how you can do this yourself. But the problem with this is the captions have already been added previously. So we're going to have two sets of captions basically, but it shouldn't cause any issue. So I'm just going to double click on this and set the video as the background so that it's focused. Then what you now want to do is click on the video, come to the left hand side here, select text, and then you can see under dynamic text here, you can see the options for captions. So you just need to click on that, select the video. If you have multiple video tracks, like multiple video files, you will need to select maybe one or multiple of them, but this has only one video file. So I'm just going to select that and click on generate captions. So it's going to take some time for that to load up. So once it's loaded up, you're going to see something like this. You can see these are the captions it basically came up with for us. You can see if I play the video,
stop wasting hours editing your videos. Here's it
alongside it. So if you want to edit this, you just need to click on the text for the captions themselves, and then you can edit it by using this top bar here. You can change the font, and this will be very helpful as well. If you have a strong brand font that you use, for instance, you can easily select that here. Let's say you use open source or you use Roboto, you can use that for your captions as well, and you can just easily use that to edit it. You can increase the size as well, make it bold, make it italics. You can just use all these top bars basically to edit it. But the key thing as well, if you want to make it more engaging, is basically going to animate here. So you can click on animate, and what you can basically do then is there are animations you can add to the captions specifically. So these are normal animations, typewriter, which you can use for pretty much anything, but the key ones that are available only for captions are reveal, highlight, and snake. So you can play around with them and see which one works best for you. But the good thing about these three is that they are going to give you the same type of captions you would get from a lot of these popular video editing tools. Capcut, for instance, if I go to highlights, I'm sure you've seen this type of
cheat code for you to edit up
caption style before somewhere, because it's a very common one that you can use. And like I said, you can change the color as well. So you can go to the highlight color here and make that like red. So if I
10 reels in just 5 minutes,
you go to submagic.co and click create free video. This is something I'm sure you've seen somewhere before. And then, like I said, you can just go click on the text, go to animate, and you can play around with the different ones, find one that works best for you. The snake is pretty nice as well. It's just going to underline each of the text as it goes over that. The highlights will highlight the specific word itself, and the reveal will just reveal the words as they go on. So basically you can play around with it to see what works best for you. If the captions are incorrect or you just want to change them yourself, again, you can click on them, come here to captions, and by the left hand side you can see the different words, so you can delete or edit it here. So if there are any typos or any issues, or maybe some words are not the way they should be, you can just easily edit them here. And once it's done, just export it as usual as you do with your Canva files. Just come up here to share and export it as a video basically. So that's the simple way you can use Canva to add captions to your videos from now on. You no longer need to rely on tools like Capcut or all these other video editing tools. Basically, if you already use Canva and you already have a Canva subscription, you can just use that instead of having to pay for multiple tools. So I hope this was helpful. If you want to learn more, you can check the description. I'll have links in there that might help you out. If you have any questions or any concerns after trying this for yourself, you can let me know in the comments. I'll be there responding to everything. And thank you for your time, and see you on the next video.